Bitcoin just crashed pretty freaking hard right now, and there are a bunch of liquidations, a bunch of dips to go ahead and buy. But let's take a look at what exactly is happening with Bitcoin, what's new, why this got triggered, and all that type of stuff. Welcome back to Bitcoin to 1 million. This is my channel where I post daily Bitcoin videos, and oftentimes we're talking about price stuff, treasury updates, companies, countries, and corporations that are buying ETF stuff, anything you need to know about Bitcoin and why Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million one day. This is the place to be. So guys, please do subscribe down below. That's all I ask. I make these videos every single day for you guys. Let's get right into it. So Bitcoin is at 92,000 guys, and it's funny because a lot of people on Twitter or X, they're like acting as if, they've just been like shot in the dick or something, because this is not even that big of a crash, guys. Remember, literally like last week, or maybe, like earlier, about a week ago, we were literally here. And to make things even better, I mean, a bit more than a week ago, we were literally in the 80s, guys. So I don't think people really, I think people are just being silly here. I think it's a lot of exaggeration. I think it's a lot of people just complaining for no reason. So what exactly happened? Basically, right now, a lot of people are selling Bitcoin. So insiders and quote unquote insiders are selling or sold about 22,000. Coinbase sold about 2.5K. Bybit sold over 3K. Binance, Wintermute, a lot of people are just selling, right? They sold over $4 billion worth of Bitcoin in the last hour. So people are saying this is a coordinated dump, but what I'm also seeing is that this is also due to the fact that there is a US-EU trade war. Now, I'm not too sure exactly what the news was or what happened, but what I will say is, guys, all of this, in retrospect, in my opinion, doesn't really matter, and this post is exactly why. You buy Bitcoin at 69K, you buy at 16, you buy at 126, you buy at 80, you buy at 95. Guys, remember, Bitcoin is not something that we're buying to go ahead and flip a quick 2x or whatever. We have meme coins and altcoins if you want to go ahead and gamble your money and make quick flips. It's possible. I mean, I have a whole dedicated channel just towards that, but for the most part, we're here to actually have a long-term generational wealth, right? We're here to buy Bitcoin and get to 1 Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin hits $1 million, we'll be millionaires. That's the whole purpose of this channel. And in my opinion, the best strategy with Bitcoin is not to just buy it once and forget it. You consistently buy over and over again. And that's what's going to make you the most amount of money, right? So when I hear all this stuff about trade war, this, that, whatever, I really don't really get. I was like, whatever. I don't really give a shit. Okay. This week as well, guys, was very bullish on Bitcoin. A couple things here that I already mentioned in previous videos, but for the most part, guys, Strategy bought over 13,000 Bitcoin, which is insane, and more on Michael Saylor in a little bit here. Prosecutors opened a criminal investigation into Jerome Powell, which I didn't even know this happened, but yeah. Iran's currency collapsed, which we talked about. Senator Lummis introduced a bill to protect BTC devs from money transmitter rules as well. By the way, that looks like a man. Just putting that out there. Anyways, Michael Saylor tweeted this. He tweeted the orange dots and he put bigger orange, which is implying that he's buying more Bitcoin than last week. So the last orange was over $1 billion of Bitcoin. It looks like Michael Saylor might have bought more than $1 billion of Bitcoin once again, which is pretty freaking impressive because this guy, he just keeps on buying Bitcoin like it's no one's business. And also, finally, I want to share this with you guys. Gold added roughly $10 trillion in market cap last year. It wouldn't surprise me if some of that profit is rotated or diversified into Bitcoin. And guys, I also made a video, which I think was one of my best videos on this channel, where I talked about Bitcoin versus silver. It's pretty interesting because, guys, silver actually hit new all-time highs again today. So with silver hitting all-time highs and moving like it's a cryptocurrency, again, guys, I do think that Bitcoin will eventually rally, and now the fundamentals are much stronger for all other assets. So I do think Bitcoin's rally is going to be insane, and it's going to be something that is rocket fueled. Okay, so guys, that is going to be it for today's video. A bit of a shorter one, but again, I want to make a video for you guys. I was actually going to not make a video today, but I was like, you know what? I have to, because Bitcoin crashed. Before Bitcoin crashed, guys, it was actually such a boring, dreadful Bitcoin day. There's really nothing going on in the markets, but now there's a bunch of blood in the markets, so there's stuff to talk about. But guys, that's it for today. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe down below, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.